So I'm about to take Andy for a drive because he just got his permit and he needs someone qualified to supervise him driving. My wife said I should go with him, and I don't think there is any reason that I cannot supervise Andy driving with my Toothpick, right? Let's try. Oh, there it is. It's recording. There's a car coming over there. Just stop here. Let me take off and then. Oh yeah. All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Go. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I would assume.
Full stop. Full stop.
I did.
I see you through my Toothpick.
There's a car coming.
Okay. Look both
Bro,
sides.
that looks so weird.
Look both sides. Make sure.
Oh, this guy's making a. This guy's turning in.
Oh boy. Sandy dandy. Let's see who's faster. Don't go crazy, easy. Okay, enough. Oh my god. Woohoo! Dude, I'm like half throttle and I'm like right not too far from you.
I don't even see you.
Chasing you easy. No, it's I have you in my vision the whole time. Oh, the sun is pretty brutal here.
Yeah, it sucks.
Ooh. I almost stole it. What's your speed?
Right now 40.
Let me know what's the... well. Alright, too fast. Too fast, you're pulling away. Too fast.
I went like 55 there.
Yeah, too fast.
Too fast.
I can't keep up. I mean, I didn't go full throttle, but... Dude, this is pretty awesome.
You're gonna have to pull it in.
Yeah, pull over somewhere. Should I power loop this bridge?
Do it real quick.
Video, oh my god. I didn't power loop, I just went under it. There's a car behind you. A couple cars.
They're all going past me.
Alright. Should I just bring in through the window or?
Just bring it and cut right when you're in the window. Don't kill us.
No, don't worry, I got you.
Oh.